Hi, welcome to Big Head Homestead. Today we will be testing out Dollar Tree pruners and doing a little garden maintenance. I hope you enjoy the content. I'll take this Dollar Tree pruner. With pruners, you can look at the outside of the container and it will tell you what size branch they're suitable for. It may say good up to 3/4 inch, good up to 1 inch. So those are the types of things you want to look for when you're shopping for pruners. Okay, I'm going to test on these dead tomato branches. Let's see how it cuts. That was easy. Let's check up here. Okay, they can cut. Let's try to stick one here. Yep. Not bad. I'm going to clean up this area here. And I'll bring you back. And we will see how these pruners do. They're actually cutting pretty well. Some of these are dead, but some have a little meat in them still, so. And this is probably a branch size, is 1/2 inch thick. Pretty impressed with these. They did a great job. Great job, and then you can close them by. Very nice. Is everything cleaned up? Not really the right way to do it, but I'm gonna take this dead tomato and I'm gonna plant it. It's got seeds in it. Half right here. I'll thin it out as it comes up. What you normally do is put them in a cup and let them ferment for a few days, but I've done it this way too, and the bad ones won't make it, so it sort of does the same thing. So we'll see if we get some tomatoes coming up here. This is an experiment. I want to see if any tomatoes will grow, and in your garden you have to experiment to find out things. Everything that was cut with the pruners, and some of these are pretty thick. I'm really impressed with these pruners. This is the thickest one. Some of the tips I would say is use it on the correct branch size and clean it after each use. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye.